Hi friends, today I want to show you a product that I just received today, and it's this one. This is for aromatherapy with diffuser, and you can use it in your home, in any area, in your room, your living room, your bathroom. So let me show you how to works, how to use it. Came in this beautiful box. So this is the way that looks your diffuser. Came with this glass recipient. It's beautiful and perfect because look classy and matching perfect in any area of your home. Came with this natural essential oils. This one is from Citrus and Japanese persimmon. I'm gonna open it. Smells so good. And finally came with these flowers that you could put in this recipient. That the real work to make your home smell delicious will be made by these ones. These are the pieces that you put inside of your recipient and make that all the oil essentials go up and make that your home smells so good, and you can relax with this smell. So let me open it and let's go use it. So I can show you how it works. I'm gonna use this knife to take out this plastic. Smells so good. So I'm gonna put some essential oils inside of this recipient, like this. I don't use it everything, as you can see, because just a little essential oil are enough to make that your home and your space smells so good. So you can put the flowers to that special touch and decorative to your home. And in the back part of the flowers, I'm gonna put these pieces. So let me show you more close. This is how looks our diffuser. Looks beautiful, and you can be you don't have to worry about the smell of your home, because with this diffuser and this aromatherapy technique, your home will always smell so good, and you can have this peace that the aromatherapy can give you. So I highly recommend this product. See you.